Hello, welcome to another new hotel software webinar. Today's subject is how new hotel Cloud PMS may help increase your hotel revenue. My name is Artur Carneiro and I'll be with you for the next few minutes to show you how to set up email templates, confirmation email and online check-in, pre and post-stay messages, set up upsell services. The email templates are located here on front office, and here on this icon that looks like a letter, you see templates. You click, and we see a window that is divided in two. This window above is where I set up my basic emails, pre-booking emails, post-travel, and so on. And below, the messages for sending documents like credit notes, receipts, invoice, etc. To set up a new email template, you first need to choose which group do you want. For that, you need to open one of the groups that we have here, basic, pre-booking, or post-travel. I will open a basic one. I will choose this one I already have. You double-click it to open, and then you can add. And this allows you to create a new email template. For this example, I will open an existing one to show you the possibilities of this tool. So, as I double click it, we can see that this is just like a regular text processor, that we can choose the font size, if we want the text in bold, underline. We also have the possibility to insert images, insert tables, bookmarks, hyperlinks, header, footer, and so on. The real advantage of this tool is we can insert data directly from the reservations in the email templates. So here where we have guest name in percentages are fields that come directly from the database and will bring the guest name that we have on the reservation. We can find those tags here on the right side under reservation, under hotel. For example, if I choose under hotel name, it will put the hotel name. Automatically, as I double click on this tag, it will add the code for the hotel name. As we can see, we have added some tags. For example, booking reference number, I choose reservation number. Reservation number is here. Arrival date, check-in date, the departure date, the checkout date, number of nights, and so on. I will now create a new confirmation email as an example. For that, I will choose the group I want. I will do a basic email. I double click it. I click on add. I choose the name for this template. The subject is the subject that will be sent on the email on the subject field. I will put example 2. I will choose the language I want to be sent. I'll choose English, and then I can add something simple like dear, and I will choose guest name, like the full name. Thank you for choosing, and then I put hotel name. Your reservation number is, and then I choose reservation number, and so on. I just can keep continuing, adding tags, changing the text font, the text size, inserting some images, and when I'm done, I will press OK. I will not, because I don't want to add this one. and it will be here for you to choose. So how do we, now that we have our templates created, how do we send them for the reservations we have? If we go to Bookings Manager and the front office, I can choose a reservation that hasn't been done check-in yet. I will choose this one, for example. And on the left side, I have here notifications. If I click, a pop-up will appear asking me to choose which notification I want to send. I will send the confirmation in English. I do OK. I still have the possibility to change and something. I can email. Because this email address is inserted on the reservation, it will suggest me this email. Otherwise, I can put another one. I will send to myself just to show you the look. And then OK. This is the message that the email was sent successfully. And in a matter of seconds, I should have the email here with the tags I added. This is a tag, the guest name, the hotel name, the reference, and so on. This feature will allow hoteliers to create messages that can be sent to guests with the relevant information for each reservation. I've shown you how to set up the email templates and how to send a confirmation email using a previously created template. Another feature that we can add to these messages is the check-in online. To do that, we go to Front Office, Templates, again. For example, this basic email for reservation confirmation email. We're going to add an existing template, and we have the possibility to add this tag here, reservation link, that is under reservation, and this is the one, web client link. And this will allow me to send a link that the guest can open and do the check-in online, add guests, and some more information. For that, I will going to simulate here on the Bookings Manager. I'm going to simulate that I'm going to send a confirmation email just to get the link. I'm going to choose this reservation that has no guest. I'm going to click on notifications. I'm going to choose this one. And I'm not sending the email, I just want to copy paste this link to a browser just to show you what can we do or what the guest can do with this link. As you can see, this is the reservation on the web, on the cloud. We have the details, arrival date, departure date, the reference number, the meal plan, the total cost of the reservation, but we don't have any name or any detail regarding the guest. But we can add that by pressing here on check-in, and I can fill this form with my name, for example. Pick my nationality, birth date, my passport, my address. I can choose this info that I have here, but for now I'm just going to put my name and nationality, and I go I need to accept that this information field is correct, and I confirm. And now the reservation has my name. If I go back to the reservation, we can see that the reservation 663 has already my name in it. So it updated the reservation with the information that I put here on my check-in online feature. Another thing that I can do is to put comments or requests. I can add here a request. I can put here a bottle of water. And as soon as I do add, this information will be added to the reservation so that on the hotel we can see it and act accordingly. The check-in online feature allows to save time and optimize the check-in operations. Also, creates a more close relation with the guests because they can interact directly with us through the platform. Another feature of the web link is that can be used throughout the duration of the reservation. For example, if I use the link on ongoing reservation like this one, I can see the current account and the charges that are in it. For example, I will use the web link on the reservation number 4. I already have it open here. And I can see that this reservation is the reservation number 4, has this services posted on the current account and the amount that is due to pay. Also, if I click here on mood, I can put a comment that will be received by the front office. Excellent. And I can put my mood here using these smiley faces. And if I save, this will be attached to the reservation. As we can see, the same current account we can watch here is the same in here. Incidental charges, and these are all the services that is posted on the current account. Now I'm going to talk about the pre and post-stay emails. These are messages that are sent before and after the guest's arrival. The pre-stay messages have the goal to promote services that are available at the hotel, like spa, golf, and others. As the post-stay emails purpose is to maintain a relation with the guest after the checkout by offering promotion codes for free nights, discounts on future visits, or to place a review on a website like TripAdvisor. The pre- and post-stay templates are located in the same place as the reservation confirmation templates, here on front office, templates, and we see here the pre-booking and post-travel emails. I'm going to show you the pre-booking here in English. I double click and let's see what we have set up here. So I put here an image, put the tags like the reservation number, the guest name, and I make relevance for our spa, massage, and golf lessons that we have available at our hotel. I have also a post-travel email that I will show you here. I will open it, and in this case, I'm offering a 15% off on the next reservation. I have the guest name. I have put here a link to a website to place a review for our hotel. And I put a code that will apply a 15% discount on the next reservation. I'm going to simulate these emails. As always, I'm going to Bookings Manager, and I'm choosing here just a random reservation just to show you the look of the pre-booking. Select the reservation, select notifications, and then double click on pre-booking, and then send by email. Because I don't have any email registered on the reservation, the field appears in blank, but I will fill it with my email. Okay, I'm going to receive it. Here it is. And also the post-travel email. Send. And let's see the email. And here it is. The email with the 15% discount, the promotional code, and the link to put a review. Another way of promoting the sales of services in the hotel is to use the upsell feature. For that, we need to create a service, mark it as upsell, and link it to a rate. Then, in the moment of the check-in, we can easily add these offers to the reservation. This is how. First, we need to create the service. For that, we need to go to Settings, Services, Services. And then we need to insert one. Click on Insert. I give an abbreviation and a description. I will call it horse riding, for example. I will use the same name on the description. Need to put a category, put miscellaneous, add a group, like an extra, add a default value. This value will be suggested as soon as I insert the service. In advanced, I need to check the box of active and put a description. This will allow me to see the service in the upsell tab, as I will show you in a while. Then I need to add a department. Let's go with reception. We need to check if the taxes are right, and we'll do OK. Next step is go to Rates again. Choose the rate that we wish to add the service. I will choose this one. And we have a tab at the end called Upsell. I already add some, but I will add another one. I'll press Insert, choose the department, choose the service horse riding, and it will automatically add the 50 price that I choose. I'll do OK. OK again to save it. And now let's create a new reservation. I go to front office, new reservation, create a reservation with arrival date for today, for I can do the check-in, choose the rate that I add the service. This is the one. I need to add a guest. I will choose one. And then OK to close the reservation. Yes. OK. Now let's do the check-in for this reservation. I will use the interactive panel. The reservation is this one. Right-click, check-in. I need to assign a room. I will go with that. And when I go to the upsell tab, I have here the upsell services that I can add. This is my horse riding service. These are the other ones that I created. And if you can see, we have an image because we can add images to the services for easier recognition. So let's choose my horse riding. I will do OK. And I did the upsell of the service horse riding in this reservation. Thank you for watching this webinar, and remember that we are here to help you if you have any further inquiries. Wish you all the best and see you soon.